Welcome to Plan Watch Walk, the home of great walking and open and honest equipment reviews. This is the fly-through for the walk, which starts in the North Pennines from Slaggyford. You can just see coming into view here. We leave Slaggyford and head off along Barnhof Burn, the valley here. We've got some great views along the side of the burn. And we walk up onto the heights now, and we get to Wardley Lough, and then have a great walk along, some fantastic views along the way. We get along to High Barnshaw Hill, and then we bear right slightly to get across to Whitefield Lough, 524 metres. Then continue on to our Trig Point, we can just see here, which is Pikeriggs Currick, before picking up Whitefield Lough, and then we start our commencement coming down the hill. We actually took the path just to the right on the way down due to the weather conditions, but now we're along the South River Tyne, and we got a great end to what's been a fantastic day up on the hills.